Hi everyone, welcome back to episode number 9 in my Bag in the Munro series. This week we're climbing Ben Chonzie, and we are changing it up a little bit and decided that we'll do this one as fast as possible just to see how fast we can actually do it. So we didn't really take that many breaks, but we just went as quick as possible, and yeah, we did end up doing it in pretty quick time. The start location for this one is the Ben Chonzie car park, and is another quite accessible Munro that you can do. And I would say it is another really good one to do if you are just starting off bagging the Munros. And the Walk Highlands website estimates between 4 to 5 hours for this walk. So I am doing this walk with my mate Owen, and again we've got such nice weather. It was all sunny, barely any clouds in the sky, so yeah, it was a really good day. For Ben Chonzie, it is a really easy Munro to navigate. There is a clear path all the way up, so you won't be getting lost. And there's plenty of animals to keep you amused on the way up. But like I said previously, this one we're going for a record of how fast we can do a Munro, so it ended up turning into more of a workout than an enjoyment, but we just wanted to see how fast we could go, just to see what time we could get. So we're about a third of the way up now. Most of the bit coming in was with a low incline, but after this point where there's like a dam almost, it starts getting much steeper from here. At this point we do get a good glimpse of how far we'll actually be climbing. It is the mountain on the left, but it is tucked in behind in the back, so but you do get a scale now of how far you actually have to climb. We are about halfway along the route now, and at this point this is where it did start to get a lot more steeper. So the first part was just horizontal with a little incline, and then it was started getting more incline, and now it is starting to get quite a high incline, and then this was definitely the hardest part of the walk. I feel late rain. And that's us just finished that steep incline bit, and now most of the way it is a lot less of an incline, and once you do get up to the top of this ridge, it is quite an easy walk from here, and you do get really nice views. Now at the very right hand side of the screen you can see the peak of Ben Chonzie, and you just have to make your way along this like sort of wide ridge all the way to the end. This is a really popular Munro. We did see quite a lot of people going up this one, and it is good seeing other people that are now out and started hill walking. But if seeing loads of people up the hill wasn't for you, then you should go check out my Answer Pack video where, yeah, I don't think we met anyone on that. It was a really quiet Munro to do. So we ended up getting to the top of this one after 1 hour 24 minutes, which is pretty quick considering it's meant to take 4 to 5 hours to do the whole thing, and you are meant to be faster going down as well. We But in the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the man and the dog that we walked up most of the hill with, and yeah, you got the dog posing for a really cute photo, as you can see. But stick around to the end of the video so you can see how fast we actually did it, and you can see all the stats.
Hold up!
Yeah. But now we're going to start our descent of Ben Chonzie. And we were actually able to appreciate the views coming down now, so we didn't have to keep turning around to walk when we're walking back up. Just take it in, Owen, look at it, take it in. And the reason why we were trying to go as fast as we could as well is because we were having a day drinking session after this, so the faster we got back home, the faster we could get drinking again.
Owen, booze or views? Alright, cheers mate.
It is crazy the difference in how much energy you have to put in from coming up to coming down. Like when we were coming up we were absolutely sweating buckets, and yeah, it was just disgusting. And then on the way down you almost start getting a little bit too cold because you're barely having to put any effort in, you just put one foot in front of the other, just going down quite rapid. But yeah, even just the views from the bottoms, they're always so nice. Just like anywhere you go in Scottish like Highlands area, it's just such nice views.
Want some milk?
And that's us almost back at the car park, and you can see in the bottom left the 3D rendering of our route, and you'll be able to see the time it took. So our final time of the walk took us 2 hours and 49 minutes, which is really fast to do a Munro that's meant to take between 4 to 5 hours. But now here are some stats. So Ben Chonzie is my 16th Munro that I've done, and it's the 250th tallest Munro, which does make it one of the smaller Munros, and it's a total distance of 12.7 kilometres. And as you can see, it is a gradual incline, and with the top being relatively flat. But it did take us 1 hour and 25 minutes to get from the bottom to the top, with a final time of 2 hours and 49 minutes. So I'm giving this one a speed of 5 stars, just because we did it in such a fast time, even though I do think we would have done it in a quick time if we weren't trying to go as fast anyway. So the difficulty is only half a star, just because of how fast we managed to do it in, and then the scenery rate is a 2 star with an overall recommended rating of 4 stars for Ben Chonzie. And if you're watching this and you haven't climbed that many Munros and you haven't climbed Ben Chonzie, then you should definitely climb this one, as this is a great starter one to get you going. Because you made it to the end of the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future hill walking videos. I'll see you in the next one.